So here is what's left of my birthday cake, and you can see it came out of all those burning candles pretty good. And this dream cake is really good. I like this. I didn't use the dream cake frosting because, you know, I knew I was going to have a lot of candles. So you might want to try these. These are really good. Okay, so now I'm going to make some enchiladas. So what I had is I had a couple steaks that I bought on markdown. So I ground my steak in the blender, and I just pressed grind a couple times, and then I fried it in some oil with some garlic salt, some black pepper, and some onion. You could use fresh onion, that'd be good. Okay, and so then at the 99-cent store, I bought enchilada sauce. And so I heated these tortillas in a little oil. Can you get my grill? On my grill. I think that's the easiest thing I ever discovered. So I like to dip my tortillas in the enchilada sauce, and I heat my enchilada sauce. So these are going to be some good enchiladas. And then I just want to put a little meat and a little cheese. And I bought this cheese at 99 cents only for $1.99, and that's 8 ounces. I thought that was a good deal. And then a few olives. And then, you know, you don't want to get your enchilada or your tortillas too soft. And then I like to pour a little enchilada sauce on. And then when I wrap my enchiladas, I don't wrap them too tight. These are hot. Just like that. And then I will make 8, because that's how many we're having. And then I will pour the enchilada sauce on top and top with some cheese. And I will be back in a few minutes.